Hello! This video is about series circuits. Let's talk about what we know about how voltage, current, and resistance behave in a series circuit. Voltage is shared between resistors, so the voltage provided by the battery gets divided between the different resistors. The more resistance a resistor has, the higher the voltage drop will be across that resistor. That means that the voltage is not necessarily shared evenly between all resistors, but the total battery voltage is always equal to the sum of the voltages across each resistor. Next thing, the current in a series circuit is the same everywhere in that circuit. The reason for that is that a series circuit only has one path for the current to flow. So there's nowhere else for the current to go. The current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. Last, the resistance in a series circuit. To find the total resistance, you just add up the resistances of the individual resistors. Let's see how we can use these ideas to solve a problem about series circuits. Here's a sample problem. We have two resistors in series. The two resistors are different from each other. One of them is 1 ohms, one of them is 2 ohms. I've labeled them resistor 1 and resistor 2, and I've set up a chart with voltage and current and resistance. We filled in the two resistances and the voltage of the battery. Let's see how we can fill in the rest of this chart. Step 1 is to add up all the resistors. The total resistance of a series circuit is the sum of the individual resistances. So 1 ohm plus 2 ohms, the total resistance is 3 ohms. Step 2. We can use Ohm's law, V equals I times R, to find the current flowing out of the battery. The battery has 6 volts, and the battery is powering a circuit whose total resistance is 3 ohms. So current equals voltage divided by resistance. The current will be 2 amps. Step 3. The battery current is 2 amps, but what about the current passing through the resistors? Well, the current in a series circuit is the same everywhere. That means resistor 1 has 2 amps flowing through it, and resistor 2 also has 2 amps flowing through it. Last step, use Ohm's law again to find the voltage drop across each individual resistor. Resistor 1, V equals I times R, 2 amps times 1 ohm is 2 volts, and resistor 2, 2 amps times 2 ohms is 4 volts. Notice that the voltages are shared. The 6 volts from the battery are shared between the two resistors. Resistor 1 gets 2 volts, resistor 2 gets 4 volts, for a total of 6 volts coming from the battery. That's how you solve a problem with series circuits. Thanks for watching.